today I have the capture camera clip. This is the carry camera system, or the camera carry system. You can see that this person has it on their backpack where it's strapped onto it. It's made by Peak Design, very popular brand right here, and it shows what it looks like on the side. I'm going to open this up and show you what it looks like. So this is the Peak Design capture camera clip. I'm going to go ahead and open this up. This is very good for if you're on the go, whether it's going between shoots or you need to clip the camera onto your belt or onto your backpack strap. This is supposed to be a solution for that, to prevent you from putting it down or dropping it. Very secure system. So here it is out of the box. There's a little bit of information inside that we can read. Take your own camera anywhere to show a person with it on their shoulder. It's rated to hold over 200 pounds. I don't know why you would be carrying 200 pounds of camera. I don't know, but it has a lock and unlock feature right here. I'm going to get to that. See, someone has it on their belt. Another person has it on their backpack strap. Let's go ahead and open this up. So you have the clip-in part right here, and you have the holder. Looks like some sort of pouch. Comes with an Allen wrench, so it's different. I would think that they would use a D-ring screw, but they use an Allen wrench for tightening it on to the belt or to the backpack strap. Here is some sort of, let's see what's in here. These are two screws for screwing this together. Go ahead and open up the back. Looks like some sort of, so here is the mounting plate. This is the mounting plate right here. And this is, instead of a D-ring that a lot of brands use, they have an Allen wrench for tightening it into your camera. So I'm sure you could probably take this out and put a D-ring in there if you want. And this is the mounting plate. So I like how they have the design like this, because they let you know right away how it's supposed to attach to your backpack or whatnot. So here is the mounting plate, and here's the holder, and you can adjust for the backpack strap by adjusting this. We'll go ahead and try this out. I'm going to put this onto a backpack. Give me 1 second. Alright, so I have a backpack strap. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this off really quickly. I believe this is the bottom with this bracket right here. This is how the mounting plate sits. Let's go ahead and see, it slides in there. Release it. You can lock it right here. That's a cool mechanism right here. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on to the strap. You might have to make it a little bit, came all the way out. Let's just go ahead and put this on like that. I'll put the screw on. Line it up really quickly. Here, let's do this. Let's get the thread back on first. So if you have thick straps, this may be a little challenging at first, but nothing too bad. So I'm going to got the screw threaded through there, and then loosen this one up a little bit. Loosen it up a little bit more. Don't want it to come all the way out. I don't know why it's a little bit difficult. There it goes. So it's all the way down, flush against it. And so I'm going to go ahead and tighten this up. Tighten the other side. And you want to get it tight enough to where it doesn't slide, or if you have something on your backpack to keep it from sliding down. So I'm going to get it there pretty tight. Don't want it to shift. Feels pretty secure. Make it tight, especially if you have a heavier camera. Probably make it a little bit tighter. And if you have something that could catch it to actually give it support from sliding, because I'm sure if you have heavy camera, there will be some sort of give. So make sure it's nice and secure, doesn't slide. And I guess these are for permanent. I'm not exactly sure what these other screws are for, but they're here. Here is the mounting plate. You attach the mounting plate to your camera, and then once it's attached to your camera, you just take the camera and slide it. It locks into place, won't shift. Camera, and when you're ready to release it, you press this button, camera comes off. Really nice design, and there's a locking mechanism to prevent unwanted accidental releases. Just simply turn it, and it's locked. And if you want it to unlock, line it back up like that, and then you're able to press the button and take it off. Pretty cool feature right here. This is the Peak design. I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.